I am currently performing extractions with our Zemits DermeLuxx. We already have applied a nice layer of SalicPure to her nose. I chose that one specifically because she's a little bit more on the oily side, and we wanted to have something that's a little bit more oil soluble to break up all of that oil and dead skin lodged in her pores. As you can see in the tip, I'm sure that SalicPure is helping us pull that right out with our extraction tip. Yeah, so at this you kind of do just a twisting, gliding motion. And I have my vacuum currently on about 60%. I like to turn it up just a little bit more than when I did the Dermabrasion today, just to really pull all that stuff out of her pores. And I can see that her skin is reacting well to it. It's nice and pink, but not red. And we're getting lots and lots of good results here. She is going to be totally poreless when I'm done with her.